The Qinux Klampero is consistently described as an impressively engineered and highly reliable chainsaw sharpening tool that genuinely delivers a professional-level finish with minimal effort, making it a standout option for both beginners and experienced users alike. What immediately sets it apart is its robust, durable construction combined with a well-thought-out clamping system that firmly secures the chainsaw chain in place, eliminating the instability and uneven results often associated with traditional hand-filing methods. The design feels intentional and refined, ensuring that every component contributes to a smoother, more controlled sharpening experience. One of its most praised features is the precise angle guiding mechanism, which removes the guesswork entirely and allows users to sharpen each tooth at a consistent angle, resulting in a perfectly balanced chain. This level of uniformity translates directly into performance, as the chainsaw cuts more smoothly, efficiently, and with significantly less strain on both the tool and the user. Another major advantage highlighted is its convenience and ease of use. Unlike more complex sharpening systems that require chain removal or specialized skills, the Qinux Klampero enables users to sharpen the chain directly on the bar, saving time and effort while still achieving high-quality results. This makes it particularly appealing for those who need quick, on-the-spot maintenance without interrupting their workflow. Even individuals with no prior experience in chainsaw maintenance can quickly understand and use the tool effectively, thanks to its intuitive setup and straightforward operation. The sharpening process itself is described as fast and efficient, restoring dull chains to a sharp, like-new condition within minutes, which greatly enhances productivity and reduces downtime. Performance-wise, the results are consistently impressive. Users notice a dramatic improvement in cutting power after sharpening, with chains producing clean, precise cuts instead of rough, uneven sawdust. This not only improves the quality of work but also reduces the effort required during cutting, making tasks safer and less physically demanding. Additionally, by maintaining a properly sharpened chain, the tool helps extend the overall lifespan of the chainsaw components, reducing wear and tear and ultimately saving money on replacements and repairs over time. The combination of efficiency, precision, and durability makes it a cost-effective solution that pays for itself in the long run. Overall, the Qinux Klampero is portrayed as a thoughtfully designed, dependable, and highly effective sharpening tool that bridges the gap between basic DIY maintenance and professional-grade results. Its blend of precision engineering, user-friendly operation, and consistent performance makes it an excellent choice for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who want a reliable way to keep their chainsaw in top condition. It not only simplifies what is often considered a tedious task but also elevates the overall cutting experience, making it a worthwhile addition to any tool collection.